Hey guys, figured I would film a quick little update. It's been a couple weeks, so here's kind of what's been going on. Um, I finally got new lighting, so last night I actually bought this super epic Craftsman light setup. Extremely bright, and you can basically work on anything at night, so that's been really cool. As far as the red Miata goes, we now have a replacement motor with compression, and I think we're gonna do kind of like not a rebuild, but like a refresh, and check out like the rings and stuff like that. So we're gonna do like a small teardown and really check it out. Yes, we got some peanut butter Oreos. I killed the battery last night in the GTI, so it charged all night. I'm putting the bumper back on right now. And there is more stuff happening a little bit behind the scenes with the 944. Just took it to the Porsche shop. Got some inspection stuff done, and there's some stuff to fix for sure. Some preventative maintenance. The balance shaft and like timing belt could be redone. It's been a while. I'll have to check with the records, but it's probably going to be expensive because it's a 944. And so yeah, that's kind of like a little update. Hopefully I will have some time to do some more in-depth videos on specific things happening. I got a lot of backlog footage as well to get through too, so this will be kind of like just an update so that at least the channel is not just going on without having no updates at all. So hopefully see you soon. No promises, but that's the update video.